A straight highway leads to the foot of the tower. Okay, तो basically एक highway है और उसके यहाँ पर एक tower है. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car, or we can make this tower this side. Anyway, it's same thing. Man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So a person is standing here, is observing a car here, and the angle of depression is 30 degree. Angle of depression means angle which it is making with horizontal. It is 30 degree. So it is 30 degree. Okay. Now, man standing, which is approaching the foot of the tower with uniform speed. So this car is moving from here to here towards the tower. Okay. Then at uniform speed, the 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of car is now 60 degree. Now the angle of depression is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay. A, B, C and D. Okay. Let AB be the tower. B is the initial position of the car. C is the position of car after 6 seconds. Okay. So now find the time taken by car to reach the foot of the tower. So we have to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower. So basically car abhi yahan hai, and how much time it will take to come at B. So what is unknown is time taken by car to move from C to B. This is unknown. Okay. So first of all, what we'll do here, in triangle ADB, tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. So 1 by root 3 equals to AB upon BD, or this will leave here only. Then we'll put in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Okay. So root 3 equals to AB upon BC. From both of this, we'll find the value of AB. AB equals to, from first here, this implies AB equals to BD upon root 3. And here AB equals to BC into root 3. So we'll equate both of them. This is suppose 1, this is 2, equating the value of AB. So it is BD upon root 3 equals to BC into root 3, or BD equals to 3BC. Okay. Now BD is what? BD is BC plus CD. So BD is BC plus CD is 3BC, or CD is 3BC minus BC, that is equal to 2BC. ठीक है, मतलब CD की लेंथ BC से डबल है. अगर BC x मीटर्स है तो CD 2x मीटर्स है. तो अगर इसको 2x मीटर ट्रेवल करने के लिए 6 सेकेंड्स लग रहे हैं, इफ सम डबल डिस्टेंस के लिए 6 सेकेंड्स लग रहे हैं, तो उसके हाफ डिस्टेंस के लिए 3 सेकेंड्स लगेंगे. सो टाइम टेकन to travel CD is equal to 6 seconds. So time taken to travel distance BC is half of that. So therefore it will be half, because BC is half of CD, CD by 2. तो CD डिस्टेंस के लिए अगर 6 सेकेंड्स लग रहे हैं तो BC डिस्टेंस के लिए CD डिस्टेंस का हाफ लगेगा, सो it will be 3 seconds. This is the answer. This is slightly
Ma'am,
different.
can you move to the previous slide?
Yes. Question number 16. The angle of elevation of top of the tower from 2 points at distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower is and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Basically एक टावर है, इसका एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इसके फुट से 4 मीटर डिस्टेंस से और इसके फुट से 9 मीटर डिस्टेंस से ये दो एंगल्स बनाते हैं एंड दिस टू एंगल्स आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री मीन्स इफ दिस इज थीटा, this is 90 minus theta. We have already studied complementary angles, and if angles are complementary, their sum is 90 degree. तो अगर एक एंगल थीटा है, हमको थीटा पता नहीं है, if one angle is theta, other angle will be 90 minus theta. Okay, and it is said that distance from the foot is 4 meters and distance of this foot or this place from the foot of the tower is this, and its distance from here is 9 meter. Okay, so A, B and C. So we have to find the height of the tower, and in fact we have to prove that height of the tower is 6 meter. So first thing what we are going to do is, yes, that's just 2 minutes. Let me complete this question. In triangle, you can write here, let AC be the height of the tower. Okay, and we can write actually D and B are points. D and B are points at distance 4 meter and 9 meters away from the foot of the tower. Okay, so now in triangle ADC, again we know, and whatever we are interested in is perpendicular and base only, so we'll be using tan theta only. Tan theta equals to perpendicular upon base, that is equal to perpendicular is 8 and base is 4. In triangle ABC, tan 90 minus theta equals to again perpendicular upon base. Tan 90 minus theta, anybody remembers from chapter 8 क्या होता है tan 90 minus theta?
Ma'am, cot theta.
Cot theta, good. And AC is H, BC is 9. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. Okay. Equation 1 थी tan theta equals to H by 4. Equation 2 है cot theta equals to H by 9. Okay, this was 1 and this was 2. Multiplying 1 and 2. So tan theta into cot theta equals to H by 4 into H by 9. Tan theta and cot theta is actually 1 upon tan theta. तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएंगे. Tan theta, cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. And this is H square by 36. This and this cancel. So H square by 36 is equal to 1. H square equals to 36. H equals to root 36. That is equal to plus or minus 6. But it is H is height. So height cannot be negative. So neglecting negative value, H equals to 6 meters. Hence proved.